Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Using SUMIF, we're going to add up everything after a specific date. Very simple. All we're using is a range. We're going to have criteria. We're going to have a sum range right here. We're also going to have a date function. If you're uncomfortable or don't remember what the date function is, we're going to have to put a year, month, and date as shown here. Critical thing here is to include this concatenate. Why? Because we're asking, what's our criteria? Our range is date 116. Here's our name ranges, B5 to B12. Our criteria is going to be greater than and date. Notice that you have to put it in the correct order. Greater than January 1, 2029. If it's true, just total up anything over that particular date. We get 20 and you can do whatever you want. You can go in and manually verify that or just assume that Excel's correct. Well, it probably wouldn't hurt if occasionally you audited Excel's work and your own. Is there any penalty for using SUMIFS with a single criteria? No. See, SUMIFS, same layout. We're using SUMIFS. Not a problem. Remember, we look at SUMIFS, the second data pair is optional. Your choice. If you like SUMIFS and find that the layout is easier, then do so. Keep in mind, our sum range is first. Note in SUMIFS, our sum range is at the end. Other than that, our range criteria is going to be the same. We're going to have our sum range, then our criteria. Things are a little bassy-assy here with between the two. And they had to do that on purpose. Reason being is, well, there'd be a conflict. We have our anatomy. We have our write-up. Pretty much what I just said is in the write-up. And as you know, well, I'm not going to repeat it. The narrative's available. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.